I'm servicing our C1 today, which includes fitting a new air filter. The one I'm taking out is about a year old and is a Mann filter, and the one I'm putting back in is also a Mann filter, but I've noticed that Mann have changed the design of the filter. So I just thought I'd give you a perspective and a sort of product review on that change. So stay tuned. Which I took out, which is the same as the Mann filter that I've been fitting for several years now. It has a plastic moulded periphery with plastic fingers, and between the fingers the folded paper, and round the edge a rubber gasket that's just slipped on. That, to be honest, I've never thought it was particularly good. It's always been a little flimsy. Of course, cheaper air filters, like the Crossland filters for example, didn't have this at all. They were completely made of formed air filter paper, and the only seal to the box was the edge of the air filter paper. To my surprise, my very pleasant surprise, when I took the new Mann filter out of its box, I find that they've changed the design. There's a much more substantial plastic moulding around the folded filter pleats, a more substantial, better quality rubber seal. Of course, it's the same filter for the C1, 107 and Aygo. The filtration area is pretty much identical. The whole filter is much more robust. Fits much more positively than the previous version did. The gasket also has a little groove in it that's intended to engage with this edge. And sure enough, yes, it's a better fit. That does engage. It's easy to knock the filter out of position, of course, which is something you have to be very careful of when you're putting the top off of the box back on. I'm going to engage the throttle body at the back first, swing it round, engage this connection by the trumpet, and then drop it onto the top of the filter, and yes, sure enough, that does feel a lot more positive. Double thumbs up to Toyota and Mann there for redesigning that in a most excellent way. And you know what to do if you've got any comments, if you've got any experience, and if you've liked and enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.